Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I am having this Oppo A83 model smartphone. I am using it for 4 years, but the problem is that it's not providing me a whole day backup. So I have to upgrade its battery from 3100 milliamp hours to 5000 milliamp. So for this, I am going to install genuine Samsung S20 Ultra's 5000 milliamp hours battery into it. We have to do some modifications. This battery is 100% original with slightly used, almost 95% battery health. As you can see that. So we have to install in this phone. So let's start. First of all, we have to remove the back case. First turn off the phone. Remove the back case. We can easily peel from the sides, from all sides. Don't apply too much force. Now the second, remove the battery connector from the main board. Take a flathead screwdriver and remove the battery connector. Pull out the battery from the phone. So this is 3180 milliamp hours. While this battery is 5000 milliamp hours, we need its battery strip from the old battery because we cannot adjust the connector to its main board, which is of the Samsung S20 Ultra. Desolder the joints to remove the battery strip. Strip is now removed. I am having an extra battery strip which I am going to use. I'm not using from the my previous set pulled battery. I'm using another one. It's the same from the Oppo A83 smartphone battery. Now you can see the left one is for positive and the right one is negative. So we have to be careful about the polarity, positive to positive and negative to negative. In this way, we will fit the battery inside the phone. So let's solder the points. We also have to insulate the battery strip in order to prevent short circuit. Negative terminal connected. Now the soldering is done. So let's check the output voltage from the connector. Set the multimeter to 20 volt DC range. and check the output voltage from the battery connector. Yes, it's working. It's giving 3.74 volts. So now I'm using some electric tape to insulate the battery strip. So finally we can fit the battery inside the smartphone. Let's, as you can see that this battery is thick and also its width is about 1 to 2 millimeters more than the previous battery, so it will not easily fit inside the phone. So we have to grind some space like this. It's the aluminum. Now it seems the pretty space. Let's fit the battery. I have placed the sheet to pull out the battery if we want to remove it. Fit the connector to the main board. Place the support lock on the connector, and we are ready to go. So let's power on the smartphone. Yep, it's working. The battery is giving 3.74 volts. It's almost 15 to 20% charge only. So we have to fully charge the battery. As you can see that it's about 13 14% charged. Now this back case will not install obviously. So for this I have an extra case, broken and cutted case. It's a broken, so I'm using this. Later I will place the protective case so the bulge will not be visible. Phone is working good. Let's place the broken body cover. Now we have a new Oppo A83 with this 5000 milliamp hours battery. So here's the protective case which I will place on its back. Now the phone is looking bulgy from the back side. So it's a massive upgrade. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for the next video.